Caterpillar Model C-15, 500 kilowatt, 625 kilovolt ampere, power generator. Main distributor board room, MDB 1, 2, 3. ATS panel, and emergency panel. Main distribution boards are used to distribute and control the power supply in large buildings. ATS panels or automatic transfer switch panels are used in combination with standby generators, to automate the switch between the mains power sources and a generator in an outage or blackout. Carbon dioxide CO2 extinguishers. Black-labeled fire extinguishers are CO2 fire suppressors, and they are primarily used for electrical fires. Generator battery charger. Thousand-liter standby diesel tank. Caterpillar C-15 industrial generator set, rated at 500 kilowatt. 625 kilovolt ampere, standby 60 Hz, 480 volt, 1800 RPMs, 3-phase, attenuated enclosure complete with EMCP 4.2 control panel, block heater, dual element air cleaner, 800A breaker and fuel tank. EMCP 3.1 control panel. The EMCP controller features the reliability and durability you have to come to expect from your CAT equipment. The EMCP 3.1 is a scalable control platform designed to ensure reliable generator set operation, providing extensive information about power output and engine operation. EMCP 3.1 systems can be further customized to meet your needs through programming and expansion modules. The 4-cycle CAT diesel engine combines consistent performance with excellent fuel economy, and transient response that meets or exceeds ISO 8528-5. The engines feature a reliable, rugged, and durable design that has been field-proven in thousands of applications worldwide in emergency standby installations. The cooling system has been designed and tested to ensure proper generator set cooling, and includes the radiator, fan, belts, and all guarding installed as standard. Before start the generator, must check the engine oil level, coolant level, diesel level, battery condition and belt conditions. Also, before start the engine, check the control panel have any error on the display board. If there have any error, this is how to reset an event on the Power Wizard EMCP 3.1 control panel. Red blinking light means there is an active alarm. To acknowledge the alarm, press and hold this bell icon key in 3 seconds, then select the events log key. And then press the run button to start engine. Before stop the engine, take all reading on the display. Coolant temperature, engine RPM, current frequency, voltage, and engine pressure kPa. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, G-Tech.